Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wished for a bigger screen to manage your Clash of Clans village, or more precise control than just your fingertips? Well, playing on a laptop truly transforms the experience. Imagine zooming across your base, deploying troops with pinpoint accuracy, or simply enjoying the vibrant graphics on a much larger display. It brings a whole new level of comfort and strategic depth to your favorite mobile game, making those long sessions much more enjoyable and effective. For years, Android emulators were the primary way to bring your mobile games to the big screen. Think of them as virtual Android phones running right on your laptop. Programs like BlueStacks and NoxPlayer have been incredibly popular choices, providing a stable platform to install and play Clash of Clans. They essentially bridge the gap, letting you access the Google Play Store and enjoy your game, just as you would on a phone, but with the added benefits of your PC. Now, for a truly optimized and official experience, look no further than the Google Play Games beta for PC. This platform is actually developed by Google itself, meaning it's designed to run mobile games like Clash of Clans with much better compatibility and often smoother performance. You simply download the application directly from Google, sign in with your usual account, and your entire game progress seamlessly syncs. It's a fantastic, reliable option for a native feel. Once you've chosen your method, remember a few key setup tips for the best experience. First, always ensure your laptop meets the minimum system requirements. This is crucial for smooth gameplay without any lag. Next, dive into the settings of your chosen platform, be it an emulator or Google Play Games, and tweak graphics and performance options to suit your machine. Finally, fully embrace the mouse and keyboard. Learning shortcuts for army deployment and base management will make you significantly faster and more effective in battles. So there you have it. Playing Clash of Clans on your laptop truly elevates the entire gaming experience. Whether you opt for the long-trusted emulators or the officially supported Google Play Games beta, you're in for a treat with that larger screen and precise control. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more seamless and optimized ways to enjoy our favorite mobile titles on PC. Give it a try and transform your Clash of Clans adventures today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.